enjoyed listening to Beautiful Blackbird by author and illustrator Ashley Bryan. Today we are going to draw a bird inspired by his book, cut it out and glue it to a background. So you may notice in your folder you've got 2 pieces of colored paper. One is going to be for the sky and one is going to be for your bird. First, we have to draw our bird. Now let me tell you, there's tons of different birds in this book, so there's not right or wrong. I'm going to give you a couple of examples and then you can pick. Okay, so I am going to start out with a head, and don't worry about the pencil because we're going to cut it out and put the glue on the pencil side. Okay, and then you could do like a long neck if you wanted. Do this oval shape. I'm gonna do some feathers. Just because Ashley Bryan's birds, like, they're all unique. They're all different, just like you guys and your drawings too. So don't worry about, you know, these perfect drawings. And I'm gonna do the legs a little bit wide at first, and then we can go down and do the claw feet, move it up. Okay, just line straight down. And you can kind of have fun with these birds. You know, maybe you want to add some more feathers that droop down. Maybe have fun, add some feathers on the head. Really, as long as you have head, neck, body, some legs, you're good. Oh, and don't forget your beaks. Those are just basically 2 triangles. Okay, so that is one example of how you can draw a bird. I am going to give you another one real quick. I'm gonna get a different piece of paper. All right. Yeah, you could put it this way. So start again, do that circle for the head. Okay, you can do the triangles out for the beak. This one's gonna have a shorter neck. It's gonna be a little bit smaller of a bird. And I'm gonna do kind of that oval shape here for the body. And I'll make adjustments as I go. Okay, same thing before. I'm gonna add these. Whoop, and I made a mistake, so I'm gonna erase because no one is perfect. That's why we have erasers. All right, then I'm gonna do my other foot, other leg. I'm just gonna make a few adjustments here. Go. All right, and this one I also want to have some fun feathers coming out. Okay, make it a little interesting. Okay, so really just start with a head, a neck, a big oval for the body, do the beak, and a couple of triangles. Okay, so those are 2 different ways that you can draw a bird, but they should be as unique as you. So next up, we need to cut out this bird. I know this is going to take a bit, so just try and follow your lines as best as possible. You're going to have to go slow and work. carefully, especially around those feet. So I kind of like to do the rough cutting first and then go back and do some more fine detail. So I'm just gonna leave those feet. And you know, try not to cut off around those feathers. We'll finish those back up in a little bit. So I finally have my bird all cut out. Now, if you don't get it all cut out today, it's okay. You're gonna work on it another time. Okay, just take your time, work slowly. I did my best to keep everything I drew intact and didn't cut anything off. All right, so now very important, if you get this far, we are gonna glue it to our other piece of paper, but you want to put the glue on the side that you drew on, because it makes it look much nicer. You don't want to have those pencil marks showing. So always glue on the pencil side. So I'm gonna put some glue on here, and I gotta work kind of quickly. I'm gonna try and get all those little areas. You don't need a ton of glue, it's just paper. Okay, but I want to try and get the ends of all those feathers I drew. The edges, and you can add more later. All right, so now you're gonna glue your bird down. And smooth it out. Got my bird on my paper, I've got it all smoothed out. We're gonna add a little bit more to it next class, but I think this is all the further you are going to get. So flip it over. Once you're done, write your name on the back. If you have some large scraps, you can put them back in the folder. We might use them for something else, okay? Small ones we can get rid of.